So here's our quick list of ingredients just for good breadcrumbs. Make sure that your breadcrumbs are unseasoned. Obviously, fine Parmesan. Parsley, you're only going to use the tops, salt, and a little pinch of pepper. Finally, mince your Italian parsley and don't throw the stalks away because you could use those in different recipes. Get all of your ingredients together in a bowl and then just get your hands in there and mix everything up so that all of the ingredients are in every potential bite you have. This breadcrumb recipe works for a multitude of recipes, so hold on to it because you're going to be using it over and over and over.